Bonjour, fellow travelers. Before we dive into this magical journey through the heart of Paris, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell so you never miss an adventure. Standing proud on the Île de la Cité, in the very center of Paris, the magnificent Notre Dame Cathedral isn't just a church. It's a breathtaking masterpiece, a survivor of revolutions, wars, and fire, and a sacred heart of French history. In this guide, we're going to uncover everything you need to know before visiting, from history and architecture to tickets, nearby gems, and insider tips. Construction began in 1163 under Bishop Maurice de Sully, and it took over 180 years to complete, finishing in 1345. Imagine the generations of builders who shaped every stone and sculpture. Notre Dame has witnessed coronations, revolutions, and the rise and fall of empires. From Napoleon crowning himself emperor here in 1804, to Victor Hugo saving it from ruin with the Hunchback of Notre Dame, this cathedral has lived 1,000 lives. Notre Dame is one of the finest examples of French Gothic architecture. Just look at those twin towers, each rising 69 meters high. What makes it truly magical? The flying buttresses that hold it up, the enormous stained glass rose windows that glow like kaleidoscopes, and the mythical creatures perched like guardians in the sky. Every stone tells a story, and every arch is a piece of poetry carved in limestone. On April 15, 2019, tragedy struck. A massive fire engulfed Notre Dame, collapsing its iconic spire and devastating parts of the roof. But hope rose from the ashes. Restoration began immediately, fueled by global donations and French determination. The goal? To reopen by 2024, in time for the Paris Olympics. It's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to witness a cathedral being reborn. Now let's talk logistics. Notre Dame is located on Île de la Cité, right in the middle of the Seine River. The nearest metro stations? Cite, Saint-Michel-Notre-Dame, and Hôtel de Ville. It's free to enter the main cathedral when open, but for the towers and treasury, expect a small fee. Tickets range from 10 to 15 euros. Try to book ahead online. Opening hours vary due to restoration. Check online before your visit. Plan to arrive early to avoid the long lines. Inside, you'll walk through the grand nave, flanked by towering columns and soft golden light. To your right and left, you'll find 37 side chapels, each with its own relics and artwork. Don't miss the statue of the Virgin and Child, or the 13th century choir screen with its stunning biblical scenes. If allowed during your visit, climb the towers for one of the best panoramic views of Paris, right alongside the famous gargoyles. And yes, one of the bells is named Emmanuel and weighs over 13 tons. The Notre Dame treasury houses sacred artifacts, like the crown of thorns, fragments of the true cross, and 17th century reliquaries. Beneath the cathedral lies the crypt archéologique, an underground museum showing the Roman and medieval history of Paris. It's like stepping back in time, beneath the very heart of the city. Out front, you'll find the spacious Parvis de Notre Dame. Look for Point Zero, the bronze marker used to measure all distances from Paris. Touch it for good luck. Around the back, the flying buttresses are best viewed from Square Jean Vérithrude, a peaceful garden perfect for photos and a quiet moment. Sunset is one of the most magical times to visit. The light hits the stone just right, making it glow with warmth. At night, spotlights illuminate the cathedral, transforming it into a mystical beacon along the Seine. You can even take a night cruise past Notre Dame for an unforgettable view under the stars. While you're on the island, don't miss Sainte-Chapelle, famous for its 15-meter-tall stained glass windows. Next door is the Conciergerie, a former royal palace and prison, where Marie Antoinette was held during the French Revolution. Just across the Seine lies the Latin Quarter, full of quaint cafes, bookshops like Shakespeare and Company, and affordable eats. Here are some quick tips to make the most of your Notre Dame experience. Hungry? You're in luck. Just a 5-minute walk brings you to cozy cafes and bistros along Rue de la Huchette and Boulevard Saint-Michel. Try a warm crypt with Nutella, a croque-monsieur sandwich, or a buttery croissant. Or grab a picnic and sit by the river, watching Notre Dame as boats drift by. Notre Dame is beautiful year-round, but for the best experience, before we wrap up, here's what not to do at Notre Dame. Be respectful. You're standing in a sacred 860-year-old wonder. Notre Dame's story is still unfolding. The restoration aims to rebuild the spire, restore the oak roof, and preserve its legacy for the next 1,000 years. Visiting now is more than sightseeing. It's witnessing history in the making. So whether you're an art lover, history buff, or just wandering through Paris, Notre Dame de Paris will touch your soul. Thanks for joining us on this unforgettable journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment sharing your favorite part of Notre Dame. Until next time, au revoir and happy travels.